My name is Yusak Susilo. I'm Associate Professor at the Royal Institute of Technology of the Department of Transport Science in Stockholm, Sweden. I think METPEX is one of the first project that actually measure the travel experience from door-to-door journey, which is very important because in many cases our approach or the previous approach, they only focus on the onboard main journey. So then with our project now we try to give more descriptions and also develop the methods and the tool that can actually help the stakeholder to create much more inclusive transport infrastructure. Katie is involved in the project since the beginning, in the sense that we are the one who actually involved in how to define what should be measured from door-to-door journey, how to measure it, and what kind of factors that should be included. We kind of focus not only for instrumental variables, which mostly we use like travel time, costs, and so on, but then we also include some other recent studies results like the impact of well-being and also the relativity of the travel satisfaction itself. And then Katie is also the one who is responsible to coordinate the trials of these tools in 8 different cities and also in 5 via national network. Our main finding, for example, that because we kind of test different methods, for example, then we can actually see that because now with the emerging of IT technology and so on, we have tested different survey measurement methods from a paper base, including focus group, and also with based on the mobile phone and so on. And then one of our important results is like the way you actually ask the questions and also the way you measure it with the method itself is actually influence basically how the travel satisfaction is actually being perceived. And also we also found that the infrastructure like interchanges design and so on is actually very significant in influencing the travel satisfactions of the passenger itself, which is in the current approach basically it's kind of being overlooked because the way the contract of public transport has been given mostly is based on the quality of the vehicle, not really about how the passenger have been transferred or how the whole interchange is designed itself. First, of course, they can actually use the tool itself. Basically, it's a very nice tool. It's very inclusive tools. It was designed for all modes, from walking, cycling, public transport, ferry, and so on. It's also designed for different user groups, for gender-based or older, younger, up to traveler with special needs. So they can actually easily use this, and the whole system basically already integrated in a system that when they actually collect the data, then the data will be processed in the backend system and then it will produce automatically as an output in the spreadsheet, which kind of reduce the whole processing time if we actually just do a traditional survey. I think I'm pretty happy with the whole project itself because there's not so much, or there's not so common that a research project would have a result that have a direct or a real product that can be used by the stakeholders directly. And METPEX is one of the project that actually allow us to do so.